Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel Petagram Facts. Today we've brought for you laws formulated by governments all over the world regarding animal welfare and protection. How you treat animals is defining your character, compassion and kindness. Man, unlike the animals, has never learned that the sole purpose in life is to enjoy it. The greatness of a nation and its moral progress can be judged by the way its animals are treated. There are many countries that are very kind towards animals. Here is a list of 10 interesting laws on animal protection in different countries for you to listen to. Today, our modern society has shown a sturdy and increasing concern for animal welfare and their protection. In today's time, people are not only caring about their beloved pets who greet them after a hard day at work every day and make them feel loved, but they're also becoming more aware of many endangered animal species which need to be protected from becoming extinct from the fauna world one day. Every country across the globe are passing laws to protect animals and their rights and also to raise awareness of animal protection among public. So guys, let's listen to these laws and give it a thought. Number 1. Recognition of animals as sentient in New Zealand. New Zealand is known to be one of the world leaders in the area of animal protection and welfare. The New Zealand chapter of World Animal Protection mentions that the New Zealand Animal Welfare Strategy recognizes that animals are sentient. Hence, we all should refer to the behavioral needs, pain and distress that they go through. As per the law, suffering an animal through cruelty or fail to act on it is prohibited. The law also prohibits conducting experimental studies on animals. There are also requirements to limit or prevent any harm caused to the particular animals like marine animals and the game animals. Number 2. Informing animal shelter or police or fire authority if you find an abandoned dog or cat in Poland. According to the Poland chapter of World Animal Protection, it is mandatory to notify an animal shelter or fire authority or police if you find an abandoned cat or dog in Poland. Then the abandoned cat or dog need not have to meander and go hungry on the streets. The law also prohibits commercial breeding of cats and dogs in the country. Number 3. You might land in a jail up to 10 years if you steal a dog in Virginia. In many US states, dogs are regarded as property by law, even though people consider them as their family members. Hence, if someone steals a dog, as per the law, it will not be considered as kidnapping and in most of the cases, the person can escape from any criminal charges. However, it's not that easy in the state of Virginia. Here, stealing a dog falls under Class 5 felony and is punishable for up to 10 years of imprisonment, regardless of the monetary value of the pet. Number 4. In case of divorce in Alaska, the judge decides who gets to keep the animal. In most of the states in the United States, when a married couple gets divorced and if they have a pet animal, it will be treated same as like that of any other furniture of the house. But in 2017, the animal law get a revamp in Alaska, where if a married couple is getting divorced, the pet of the house will be treated as a child of the house and the judge decides on the custody of the pet. Number 5. Animal cruelty is banned in Russia. In the recent years, Russia has taken a big step in plummeting animal cruelty in the country. According to the Moscow Times, the law puts prohibitions on petting zoos in animal cafes, animal fights, malls, and also housing animals in bars and restaurants. The law also prohibits the culling of stray cats and dogs. Though the law was introduced originally in 2010, but it took the legislators long 8 years to finalize and implement the act. The law has been highly criticized for many loopholes and the country will define it later sometime. Number 6. You need to pay annual dog tax in Netherlands. The Netherlands is targeting to become the first country in the world where there would be no stray animals. Expatica mentioned that most cities in the country levied an annual dog tax to the pet owners, which is calculated on the number of dogs that they have in their house. Currently, the tax is set by the local municipality. It is mandatory all the dogs in the household must be registered with the local administrative authority. The tax was set to ensure that people are more responsible when they make a decision to get a pet. Number 7. Spend in jail for 5 years in the UK for animal cruelty. In the UK, you need to be very careful if you're making any harm to an animal. The UK has confirmed that maximum sentence for animal cruelty is thinking to be increased. The maximum fine for your behavior will rise to £20,000 from £5,000. For more serious cases, the maximum sentence will be imprisonment for 2 to 5 years. The government hopes that it will prevent the serious animal cruelty cases to a great extent. Number 8. Pay fine of up to 25,000 euros if you kill a protected animal in Germany. Germany is also an animal-loving country with some very strict animal protection laws. If you are proved to be guilty of killing a protected animal in Germany, you would be charged with a fine of up to 25,000 euros, and yes, it's a lot of money. A fun fact in this, in Germany, wasps are protected as they don't cause any harm and also help in cleaning the environment. However, you don't have to worry about killing a single wasp in the country and then fetching a fine of 25,000 euros. The fine would only be imposed if you get rid of the whole wasp net. Number 9. It is mandatory to walk your dog 3 times a day in Turin, otherwise pay a fine. It might be no surprise that Italy is considered to be an animal-loving country. In many cities of the country, animals and their rights are protected by some strict laws. One city among them stands out for its animal welfare laws. In Turin, the dog owners need to pay a fine who refuse to take their pets less than 3 times a day. The imposed fine starts from 500 euros, that is $650. It's hard to believe, right? But it's true. Animal lovers are also barred from dyeing their pets' fur or any other forms of animal mutilation, as the city doesn't want its residents to turn their pets into ridiculous fluff toys. Number 10. The dog owner in Oklahoma is responsible if his dog causes any injury. In Oklahoma, the laws pertaining to the dog bites is seriously strict. According to all law, if your dog bites or injures a person, he or she has 2 years' time to file a lawsuit against the dog owner in the civil court of the state. With these 10 interesting laws on animal protection in different countries that are trying to curb the rate of animal cruelty in the country, many countries are also becoming successful to do so. In all, we would like to say that look at animals kindly and they will see. Talk to animals gently and they will listen. So guys, do subscribe to our channel and like this post, and do spread the love for animals by liking and sharing the content on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for listening.